Okay, I'm going to trade. But what do I trade? How do I trade? Where do I even do it? It all seems so simple with all the ads saying, click here, withdraw easy. But it's not. Most of the time, no withdrawals are even possible. That's the case for me, and probably for every small-time trader with a small account. No money, no job, and no other income sources. So we take the little bit of money we have and try to grow it. That's what I've been trying to do for a very long time. Forex, stocks, commodities, crypto, big BTC, small meme coins, low-cap coins, but no matter what, my money gets eaten. Even when I manage to 10x, 5x, 15x my account, I still lose everything. It's a major task just to know what to do, when to do it, how to do it, why something is happening, and how it all connects. News, drama, global events, most of it goes unnoticed by us small traders. Meanwhile, banks and billionaires rinse everyone every day because they have the most powerful tool, capital. With real money behind their positions, they rarely lose. And that's fine. That's the game. We ride the waves and we're happy when they go our way. But that's not all there is. There's so much more. Each market takes practice. You need to learn when to enter and when to exit. Automation and algorithms is fine, but only if you're a big boy or big girl with money to back the bot. I'm talking to the hundreds of thousands of small-time traders who can only put in $5, $10, or $50. In most markets, if you don't know what you're doing, it's gone. It all starts with value. How much is valuable to you? That determines how much you put in and how much loss or gain you can tolerate. There are 3 rules that you'll never follow until you've learned them the hard way. My biggest issue, overexposure. What? How? One trade with a lot size of 0.1 or 0.04 or 0.2. How much is right? When should I place it? How many should I place? If I only place one, I won't make any money today, so I increase my lot size. Then I add more positions trying to follow the trend. Then bam! Mr. Billionaire steps in, flips the trend, and now I'm in red, deep red. And it's my biggest positions. I'm already in good profit. What should I do? The squeeze is on. Do I enter more trades to support my positions or hedge them? But every time I place a trade, I lose available margin, and the trend is fast and not stopping. I open more, I close, I lose, up and down, again and again. Draining my balance, equity dropping. I try to hold on to profit trades, closing others, trying to regain equity. But in doing so, I lose the good positions I should have kept. I'm left with a low balance and red positions. Then a spike wipes me out completely. So the next option, don't increase lot sizes, stick to one size, and it works sort of. By decreasing lot size, I slow my profit speed. So I open more positions in good-looking spots. Now the numbers move more consistently. My balance shifts with the price and I feel like I'm improving. Then, sneaky trend reversal, not easy to catch. Suddenly I'm in red again. Very red, I close, slowly, until I'm back to 0. So what must I do? I only have $10, I need to make it happen. I can't keep repeating insanity if it's not working. Something must change. Where is the issue? I know what to do, I know the markets. I know the patterns. I've studied for 13 years. I've done more analysis than most humans will in a lifetime. But still, I can't keep an account alive. Not with $10, not with $500. So what is it? It's not my lot size. It's not volatility, not my leverage, not my broker. Not my tools, it's me, not because I'm stupid, but because no one ever sat me down to show me how, when, why, or what to do, when to exit, when to hold, what my chart actually means, so I blame everything. The broker, the app, the market. I've gone months without sleep trying to solve this. Why can't I keep an account alive? And it always comes back to me and the influences in my life. We've all seen it, big account balances, massive profits, TikTok, YouTube, Discord screenshots. It gets in your head, you think, I need that, I want that, I could change my life. So we try, and we fail, that's the root of it all. Now here's the truth, I discovered something. The reason I fail is because I'm trying to double trade. And if you're reading this, you probably are too. What's double trading? It's the biggest mistake every trader makes when they're just starting or struggling. You're trying to meet 2 conflicting goals in one account. Grow your account long-term, make daily money to survive. You can't do both. Now here's the truth, I discovered something. The reason I fail is because I'm trying to double trade, and if you're listening to this, you probably are too. What's double trading? It's the biggest mistake every trader makes when they're just starting or struggling. You're trying to meet 2 conflicting goals in one account. This is the problem. 1, grow your account long-term, and 2, make daily money to survive. You can't do both. You can't hold long-term if you're using high leverage, overexposed, or emotionally chasing every spike. You can't grow an account that you're also trying to withdraw from daily. There are two desires, driven by two different needs, in one broken system. The solution: you need two separate accounts. One for long-term growth, one for day trading and withdrawals. Your long-term account is sacred. Never touch it. That's your retirement. That's your legacy. That's your plan. Start small, $10. Use lot size 0.01. Tight stop loss, only open from extreme lows. Once a year during yearly dips, add one new position. Hold, wait, grow. This is your money for life. Your day trading account is for making money now. It's where you enter and exit as needed. Manage exposure, manage risk, take profits, withdraw. Mistake 2, never withdraw from your long-term account. Don't touch it, don't adjust it. That is your future, funded with just $10 and a plan. Do this every year. Add one position when the time is right. In 10 years, you could build $100,000 from almost nothing. If you've listened this far, you're like me. You're not rich, you're not getting job offers, you're desperate, you want a way out. And now you have one. Open as many accounts as you want, but never use one account to solve two needs. This is your new start. Welcome to real trading. There's a lot more I can help explain. So please subscribe so that more traders like you and me can see this and learn the number one rule that every small account trader needs to know. It will change your life and the lives of many others. Great, you're still here. So what is causing the errors? It's the conflicting rules needed to trade successfully within each style of trading. Let's use stop loss as an example. It's imperative that you use a stop loss, but that conflicts with my style when I'm trading fast and quick or in high volatile markets. So then I remove the stop loss and trade freely. But to do this correctly, I need to increase my lot size, and then I always risk my full balance. But eventually I get caught in a trap and can't find my way out. So then it goes back to stop losses. I need them, but I don't need them. But I do. Here is the critical point and the reason you keep losing all your money. The one trader in you wants to be quick and fast, and the other wants to be long, safe, and slow. The stop loss is a necessity for your long-term account, but it's an auto-fail on the withdrawals account, because with higher lot sizes, we all get stopped out, slowly burn the equity. So what just happens is, you may have placed a perfect position for a long-term run, but then you start seeing easy opportunities to make money quickly. But the only way is to increase size. So you do, and then you add extra positions and take some profit, and then leave positions open, as you might already be 3x or 4x your account. But then a change in trend, that's difficult to see or happens after 8 hours, eventually touches down and closes your positions. And what's happened? You've lost all your profit that was there earlier and you're back at base point, maybe even lower than when you started. In this whole scenario, you took no profit, maybe a tenth of what was showing. And after the realization that you lost all your funds, you place more positions in the wrong entry zone and just get annihilated by the sideways moving market. Your day trader cost you your account, because your long-term trader would have never opened so many positions or risked the account. The long-term trader would have waited for more solid starting point opportunities. But the day trader is just shouting all the time saying, you could see the move, there's money to be made, and they're right, there are opportunities to profit. So the conflict turns into a war, and the two of these very adamant, smart, and sharp traders end up losing each other's money because they keep playing around in each other's business. The two styles have no business being in the same account. They will always and forever clash because they're both proven working methods that can yield great profit. Once you identify this error and fully understand it, and how your desires and trading styles vary from one another, everything changes.